Alright guys, so today we are going to solve this circle square problem where we have to find this square values as it touches both the circles, and both the circles are touching each other and these circles are touching, and the square is also touching the baseline. So we will do some calculations here in the figure already, and after that we will make some equations and we will solve them for the value of side of square. Okay, so let's start doing it. Let's use pink color. So these are the centers and let's draw a line. So both circles are identical, so we don't have much problem by like solving this equation. Okay, so let's say from here to here, so let's assume this side of square to be x, and from here to the center assume it y, so this will also be equal to y. Okay, now since this is 5, this is 5, this will also be 5, and this will be equal to y, and this, since this is already x because this is the side of square, so this will also be 5 minus x. All right, okay, and this triangle OAB, this triangle OAB will be right angle triangle because this is just perpendicular drawn over it. Okay, this AB. Now again this side from here to here, it's equal to 5 plus 5, and this side value is equal to y plus x plus y, which means 2y plus x equal to 10, right? So this will become easier to solve. So now we will solve this equation 1, and another equation we will get from right angle triangle. So this is right angle triangle, this is O, this is A, this is V, this is 5, this is y, this is 5 minus x, and we know base square plus perpendicular square equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, so that means it will be 5 minus x whole square plus y square equal to 5 square. So that means 5 minus x whole square plus y square equal to 25. All right, so these are the two equations. Equation 1 is here, and equation 2 is here. This is 2. So we need to solve these two equations to get the values of x or y, where x is the side of square, so we just get value of that. Okay, so now 2y plus x equal to 10, which means y equal to 10 minus x divided by 2. Okay, so this is the value of y. Now if we substitute this y value in the equation 2, then we will left with x, and that x is the value of side of square. Okay, so we will solve it. Now 5 minus x whole square plus, what is the value of y? 10 minus x divided by 2 whole square equal to 25. Okay, now 5 minus x. Okay, let's start opening this bracket. So 5 square is 25 minus plus x square minus 10x plus 1 by 4. 10 square is 100 plus x square minus 20x equal to 25, right? So what identity we have used to open these squares is that we know a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b squares minus 2ab. This is the identity we have used here. So let's again go with that color. So we will have 25 plus x square minus 10x plus 100 by 4 is 25 plus x square by 4 minus 20 by 4 is 5x equal to 25. All right, so this is like more simpler because this is polynomial equation. Okay, so let's multiply by 4 both sides. So we will get 100 plus 4x square minus 40x plus 100 plus x square minus 20x equal to 100. So this 100 will cancel out this 100, so we are left with just, we are rearranging these. Okay, so 4x square plus x square is 5x square, and minus 40x plus this 20x, so minus 60x. Okay, now this 100 is already cancelled out, so we are left with plus 100 only equal to 0. Now divide both sides by 5, so we will get x square minus 12x plus 20 equal to 0. We know, let's start. Fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has root equal to x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so we know these values, so we can also like factorize it. That's not a problem. So let's do it by factorization, or we can use this formula also. Okay, so we will do factorization. So we will do x square minus 10x minus 2x plus 20 equal to 0, right? This is like just dividing this. Okay, now take x common, that means x minus 10. Okay, and take minus 2 as common, that means x minus 10 equal to 0. Now take x minus 10 as common, and that means x minus 2 equal to 0. Now for being equal to 0, these individually must be 0. Okay, so that means either x equal to 10, x equal to 10 or x equal to 2. These are the possible values of x, but we have x plus 2y equal to 10. If we will substitute x equal to 10, that means 10 plus 2y equal to 10, that means y equal to 0, and that is not possible, right? So left with x equal to 2 only. That means side of square equal to x, which implies area of square x square, which means 2 square, which is 4 unit square. This is the area of square. Okay, so we can write it here, 4. Thank you for watching. Subscribe please to my channel so that I can be motivated with these types of videos. Thank you.